Hey guys, we received these birthday cards for test and try. Is a 3D pop-up birthday card with the fireworks, lights, music and cake display. So let me just open up this and show it to you. You can give it as a gift to anyone or as a birthday card. So this is the main card and you can see a nice vibrant color. So this package have a birthday card around 10 centimeter by 15 centimeter. The have the digital card as well that you can see online, and also have like the candles thing. So envelope, manual, digital card thing, and all other stuff in here. So this is the main pop-up card, and you can see it pop up like a nice birthday card, and then there is a sparkling or the candle on the top. You can use all the different numbers of like your age, whatever you want to put in here, and then put it just to show. So it's pretty nice set and like looks good with a vibrant color and nice concept of a pop-up birthday, the cake card, and looks nice as well.